Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Huawei device is up to date and you have the Google account credentials ready. Sign into Google on the phone via Settings accounts. Once added, tap Account Sync and enable contacts. Make sure Wi-Fi is active to avoid mobile data limits, and if Google prompts for two-step verification, use your code or backup method. This gets the device authorized so Android services can fetch your Google contacts immediately. Once the account is authorized, open the Contacts app and go to Accounts or Manage Accounts, then pick your Google account. Toggle Sync Contacts and use Sync Now to pull entries. This may take minutes for large lists. If contacts don't appear, use Import/Export to import from Google or a vCard you exported earlier. Make sure contact visibility filters show Google contacts, and use Merge or Deduplicate tools to clean duplicate. Finalize by opening contacts and confirming names, numbers, and labels match your Google account. You can also check Gmail or Contacts. Google, COM for consistency. If contacts are missing, clear the Contacts app cache and data, then re-add the Google account and re-sync. Also inspect Huawei battery or background optimization settings. Disable them for contacts and Google services so sync can run. If one last resort is needed, export Google contacts to a vCard and import it directly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.